Hey guys, good morning to in 2021. If you are someone who is actually willing to make big move in life, maybe you want to start your business, maybe you want to get married, maybe you want to have better relationship, maybe you want to have different career, and you want to make new choices, in this year. And when this year started, you were very clear that these are the changes I'm going to bring in 2021. And now we are almost at the end of the February 2021, and still you are at same place, and you also don't know what is the reason behind it. And sometimes you feel that I am not confident to take this next step in my life, and you also don't know the reason of not being confident. So then this video is for you. Watch till end, because I faced same issue in 2014 when I was starting my entrepreneurial journey. I was not confident, let me tell you very honest, to start a business, and somehow I came through a lot of stuff. I got a lot of knowledge and information, by using which I really became confident. And right now I'm actually living life of my own choice. So then watch this video till end. And who I am, basically I am a Yogesh Navale, aka Limitless Yogesh. And what I do, basically I am an entrepreneur by choice. I am on mission to build thousand entrepreneurs or Atmanirbhar people in next few years. Always remember, it's not about building confidence, it's always about building competence first. And I'll share a real example of my own life. So in 2014 I was actually confused to whether to continue with my corporate journey or whether to start my business. दिल कह रहा था कि बिजनेस स्टार्ट करे, बट दिमाग कह रहा था कि जॉब करे, क्योंकि सर्वाइवल था. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वन इवनिंग आई हैड जस्ट चेंज्ड माय कंपनी. My package had gone up by 30%, so I was very happy with the money part. But the culture of the organization was not supportive where I was working. Profile was good, everything was good, but the way they were handling people, the way they were removing people, sacking people, it was kind of disturbing thing for me. And in that confusion, when I was having that discussion, I came to a decision that I don't want to continue with my corporate job. I made decision that yes, I will start my own business. And I started thinking on what to start, which ideas to be implemented, and a lot of things. So one day evening, it was around June 2014 evening, Saturday, I was talking to my family that I want to quit my job and I want to start a business. And immediately a lot of resistance came in my family. No, you cannot do that, your job is happening good, salary aa raha hai, salary बढ़ के हुआ है. So you can understand. So immediately none of my family members, immediate family members, supported me, and that was kind of pissing thing for me. So I started fighting actually with them by saying that I have made a choice of my career right now, you are not supporting it. So the friction happened, and that evening I still remember, Saturday evening, after that fight, discussion, argument, interaction, lot of, spending that time with my family, discussing with my family, eventually my family said, okay, you don't want to do job, we are not supporting it, but you want to quit, we are not going to support you, but we are not going to oppose you also. So I was okay, because they are neutral right now. So I decided on Saturday evening that Monday morning I am going to put my resignation. And I was happy and nervous, both things were there together within me. And Monday I went to office, and when I went to office, entire day I spent, and I thought that evening I will put resignation. And whole day went. When evening came, I thought tomorrow I will put resignation. So I went to Tuesday to office, and Tuesday whole day went, and I did not put resignation. And then my family said that you only said that you are going to put resignation on Monday. Now 2 days happened, what happened? I was not aware why I am not taking that decision. I'll tell you honestly, I was not at all aware कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि Saturday I decided that I want to quit my job and start a business. And fortunately that time I did not have any liabilities also, financial liabilities also. So it was not the issue of money. But I thought, why am I not putting resignation? And then that confusion continued for some time, and eventually I found out that it is not about confidence. I was feeling that I am not confident whether I will be able to be successful in business or not. So I found out that in that particular research I found out that it is not about building a confidence, it is always about building first competence. And when you build that competence in particular area of your life, after working on that particular area for quite long time, you will automatically start feeling confident. And I immediately recollected my own example of my own childhood. When I was a child, one of my friend might be watching this video, his name is Sushant. So I was in 5th standard I guess, and my dad had bought me a bicycle that time. So earlier the bicycle which I had there were side wheels to that, and so I used to, I could ride that bicycle confidently. But when my dad bought a new bicycle without side wheels, so I was not confident कि मैं ये चला पाऊंगा कि नहीं चला पाऊंगा. So I asked Sushant, can you teach me? So Sushant took me to ground nearby, and he said that मैं पीछे से पकड़ के हूँ, I'm holding your carrier, you just start riding it and I will hold you, don't worry. So I started riding it, and when I started moving, after some time I was very confident. I started feeling happy that I can start bicycle without support, and I was not aware that Sushant had actually left my bicycle, And when I reached a long distance in that ground and I turned back and I just was excited to tell Sushant कि मैंने तो चला लिया. I found out Sushant is not there, and Sushant दूर से बोला कि भाई तू तो सीख गया गाड़ी चलाना, साइकिल चलाना. So why I am sharing this small example is whenever we want to try something new, there will be resistance. We are not used to new things, so it will take some time for you to build a confidence, So don't worry whether you are feeling confident or not. If you want to take a next move, first build your confidence, and there are few steps by which you can build your competence, and eventually you will start feeling confident. So first, how to build a competence? First step, start becoming aware. Okay, this is what I want to do. Anything, you can be dealing with any area of your life. So start being aware that this is what I want to do. These are the actions which I really want to take. And first step after this, second step comes, start taking actions. Even if you are not confident, even if you are not getting any results, still start taking actions. Because when you take actions, eventually what happens, your consciousness, your awareness starts building up in that particular area. Third step comes repetition. What do you mean by repetition is, when you do a particular thing for a number of times repetitively, in your brain, the neural pattern of same thing is formed, and then eventually it becomes your habit. This is how simple it is to build a confidence in any new area of your life. When there is unknown, you are pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, and then you will feel the issue of confidence, subconsciously. Then your job is to build your competence first. Awareness, actions, and repetitions. These three steps will eventually give you a confidence, and after some time you will build such a huge confidence that people will come to you for suggestions that how you did it, tell me. So I am on a mission to build Atmanirbhar Bharat. Actually my mission and vision of my life is to build 1,000 people who are completely Atmanirbhar in next few years time. And work is in progress. So if you really like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel on YouTube called Your Born to Be Limitless, and also follow me on my Facebook page called Your Born to Be Limitless. Hit the bell icon because I'm going to keep coming with a lot of videos which will really help you and inspire you.